Fancom has invested for years in developing innovative solutions and products for the intensive livestock industry. Fancom is a renowned name in climate control, automatic feeding systems, and data processing. A major component of this total concept is automatic feeding. Feed installations are technically advanced systems which demand a considerable investment. Little wonder that you want to be sure of expert advice, a competitive price, and the full coverage of excellent after-sales service. Fancom feed installations offer you that security. Liquid feeding has many advantages. The feed intake of liquid feed is better, which enhances growth, leading to improved technical results. Nowadays, a huge variety of dry and liquid feed components are available in different forms. Adding byproducts to feed, such as valuable residues from the food industry, can lower your feed costs. For efficient automatic liquid feeding, you need the flexibility of a Fancom system. Using a closed piping system means feed is distributed free of dust and easily. The feed is dosed out into long troughs so all the animals can eat at the same time for easy supervision. Together with the user, Fancom designs a suitable feed kitchen and supplies the entire feed installation and guarantees professional project support from design to startup. Whatever kind of feed strategy you use, your feed installation will automatically ensure your animals are given the right feed blend. Fancom has 3 different liquid feed concepts: Full Fix, Smart Fix, and Multi-Fix. The use of only high-grade materials guarantees a long working life. The dosing-in pump transports the liquid ingredients, if available, to the mixing tank. The maintenance-free mixing tanks, where the feed is prepared, are mounted onto weighing bars, so the amount of feed given is accurately registered. A water tank stores the water supply. Stone catchers positioned behind the mixing tank protect the pumps and valves. Sturdily constructed pumps transport feed through the circuit to the dosing out valves. Firmly closing stop valves ensure the feed is guided in the right direction. Your installation is fully automatically controlled from carefully mixing the feed right up to accurate dosing out into the troughs and thoroughly cleaning the system. Simple PC operation with clear overviews helps you control the process. We will now show you the Smart Fix feeding principle, a frequently used liquid feeding system where feed is transported using positioning liquid. At the start of the feeding process, the circuit is filled with positioning liquid. In this animation, water is used as positioning liquid. Feed is mixed in the tank. The first ingredient is positioning liquid that is pumped into the mixing tank from the circuit. At the same time, the circuit is filled with new, fresh positioning liquid from the water tank. Then, the liquid ingredients are added from the silos. Followed by the dry ingredients. The ingredients are mixed for a while to obtain a smooth and easy to transport blend. When the blend is ready, the valve under the mixing tank opens and the feed is pumped into the circuit up to the dosing out valves. At the same time, the positioning liquid returns from the circuit and is stored in the positioning tank. Based on the weight decrease in the mixing tank, the computer brings the feed to the first section to be dosed. The valves open one after another and the feed is dosed out. The correct amount of feed is dosed out into the trough, again, based on the weight decrease in the mixing tank. The feed then continues to the next section, where the following series of valves are dosed out. This process is repeated for all the sections. The mixing tank becomes empty at some time during the feeding process. The mixing tank valve closes while the positioning tank valve opens to pump the positioning liquid into the circuit behind the feed column. At the end of the feeding cycle, the entire circuit is once again filled with positioning liquid. This means no feed is left in the circuit. This is a huge advantage, particularly regarding the strict hygiene that is so essential in liquid feeding installations. In addition, the mixing tank is thoroughly cleaned with water following each feeding cycle. The installation is now ready to prepare and distribute the next feed blend. The automatic SmartFix liquid feed installation not only saves time, but also helps you keep food costs under control. The precise mix of feed given to your animals can also be easily adapted to suit their needs and give improved performances. Today's critical consumers' demand guarantees how animals are raised. You can give them this guarantee thanks to the extensive registration possibilities offered by your feed computers, and offer them reliable, premium, quality meat.